Hello guys, today we're going to talk about blood components. Before we start our lesson, I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. And if you have any comments and questions, please write them down. Let's start now. Before going into knowing the blood's components, let's have a look at the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of blood vessels, and heart. The main function of the blood is to transport. Here we have the blood transports oxygen. This means it provides oxygen to the body and removes carbon dioxide, and provides nutrients, removes urea, provides hormones, and provides antibodies. In order to see the components of the blood, we have to take a sample of the blood and spin it in the centrifuge. Okay, we take a sample of the blood and put it in this test tube, and then we put it in the centrifuge. And what we're going to see after having the blood, after being centrifuged, the blood will separate into two layers. The first layer, which is very light layer and yellowish color, and the other part, this is called the liquid part, which we call it the plasma, and the blood cells remain down in the test tube. Okay, so the plasma is known that it's the liquid part of the blood, and it carries all the blood cells. Let's look here. The plasma consists of water, ions, plasma proteins, substances transported by the blood like the nutrients, waste products, carbon dioxide and oxygen, and hormones. Okay, while the cells, there are many types of cells that are found in the blood. For example, the first one, we start with the red blood cell. They are biconcave in shape, and they have no nucleus, and they are responsible for the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Their number is about 5 to 6 million. Here, the next type of blood is the white blood cells. They are 5 types: basophil, eosinophil, lymphocyte, monocyte, neutrophil. Their number is about 5,000 to 10,000, and their function is responsible for the defense and the immunity of the body. The third type of cell found in the blood is the blood platelet, and their number is about 250,000 to 400,000. Their function is for blood clotting. This means that if you are injured or something, okay, then the blood comes out. What happens? The body starts clotting, or the platelets start working by clotting the blood to prevent the bleeding. The white blood cells works and defends the body against bacteria and viruses. Red blood cells are responsible for the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide, taking in oxygen to the body cells and taking out carbon dioxide from the body, which is expired out of the body. The components of blood. Here we say this is about the plasma makes about 55% of the blood's body. The red blood cells makes about 40 to 45% of the blood, and the platelets about 1% of the blood, and the white blood cells about also it makes less than 1% of the blood. Okay. Here, this is the centrifuge blood. We said before, this is centrifuge. Okay, and can you see the shapes of basophil, eosinophil, neutrophil? These are responsible for they engulf the bacteria by phagocytosis. Okay, and here we can say that also the red blood cells contains a red pigment which is called hemoglobin. It binds with the oxygen, forming a component called oxyhemoglobin, which goes to the cells for respiration. Okay, and then also hemoglobin combines with carbon dioxide, making a compound called um, carboxyhemoglobin, which helps in the expiration of carbon dioxide from our body. This is a nice diagram showing here the blood vessel, the types of blood, types of cells in the blood. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, please write them down, and please subscribe to my channel to get the new videos. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.